Okay, Rob, this video is for you, because I'm not so sure how much of this beast you want to hear, but I just put the mufflers on and she's pretty doggone quiet. I'm Mr. Bubbles. Personally, I would have straight piped it right out the back, but then this is Oregon, you can get away with stuff like that. Hey, that rhymes! Ha! So, anyhow, without further ado, oops. There she is. You can talk inside of her. With the door open too. Alright, that's with the door closed. She's cold. You can still hear the cam. But she's awful quiet now. I guess she's alright. Way quieter with some exhaust on her though. There we go. My camera won't reverse. Like I said, she's still cold. And right now I have her dumped right up the rear axle. Yeah, I guess you gotta go this way. But the idea is put exhaust tips on it. I think I showed them to you, and they're going to come out the back here, right next to the reverse lights. And then she'll be your guppy. Maybe. Anyhow, only you will see this video. See you later. Cheers! How do you turn it off?